Hello everyone, welcome to Ingenious Tech. In today's lecture we will see EMF equation of a DC generator and numerical based on EMF equation. So let's get started. First we will see the EMF equation of DC generator. As you all know, the DC generator takes mechanical energy as input and delivers electrical energy as an output when the mechanical device such as diesel engine drives, armature drums, armature windings cuts the magnetic flux produces by the poles. An equation for EMF induced can be obtained as under let capital P is equal to number of poles, then phi is equal to flux produced by the each pole, then capital N is equal to speed of the speed in RPM at which the generator is driven or rotate, and the Z is number of conductors of armature winding, and A is number of parallel paths of armature winding. So according to the Faraday's law of induction, magnitude of EMF induced the conductor is E is equal to d phi by dt. You can see here. And for one complete revolution of a conductor, the flux cuts by the conductor is P into phi. So P is what? Number of pole, and phi is flux, and which is measured in Weber, and time required to complete one revolution is 60 divided by n seconds, and here n is speed in RPM, and 60 seconds for 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Therefore the equation can be written as instead of d phi we can write p phi, and instead of dt we can write 60 divided by capital N. So we will get, by adjusting the equation, E is equal to p phi n divided by 60. As Z conductors are divided in a parallel groups, there are Z by A conductors in series in each group. Therefore EMF induced in the total winding, armature winding, is E is equal to P phi NZ upon 60A. So this is the equation of DC generator. On the basis of that equation we will see the examples. So first example is a 480 volt DC generator has 4 poles and armature drum has 96 slots, each carrying 10 conductors. When flux per pole is 25.2 milliweber, EMF induced in the wave connected armature winding is 484 volt. Determine the speed at which the generator is driven. If a current carrying capacity of armature conductors is 1.3 ampere, what is the kilowatt rating of the generator? For the solution we will see first number of slots we have given 96, then number of conductors per slots are 10, then we will find out Z. Z is equal to 96 into 10, we will get 960. A is equal to 2 due to wave winding, so if there is wave winding, so that why we are taking A is equal to 2. Then phi is equal to 25.2 milliweber is, and E is equal to 484 volt, and P is equal to 4. So speed of the generator capital N is equal to Z A E divided by phi ZP, where A is equal to 2 being wave connected. So we will put the values here and we will get N is equal to 600 RPM. So kilowatt rating, the 960 conductors of armature winding are divided into two parallel paths. Obviously current carrying capacity of each path is 1.3 ampere, that is current rating of the generator is 1.3 plus 1.3, it will get by adding 2.6 ampere. So kilowatt rating of the generator will be 480 into 2.6 divided by 1000, and by calculating we will get the kilowatt rating is 1.25. Now we will go to the next example. Determine the flux per pole of a 6-pole generator required to generate 240 volt at 500 RPM. The armature winding has 1080 conductors and are lap connected. Okay, in previous example they are in wave connected, here they are in lap connected. So given, they have given E is equal to 240 volt, P is equal to 6, N is equal to 500 RPM, Z is equal to 1080. Lap winding, so A is equal to P, so here 6. So putting all the values in E is equal to P phi Nz upon 60A. We have to determine flux. So for flux, phi is equal to 60AE divided by Z and P. So by putting the value, we will get 26.27 milliweber. So this is the answer, or flux per pole. So we will go to the next example and the last example of this lecture. The armature of 6-pole generator has 120 slots, each slots carrying 30 conductors. The armature winding is lap wound and flux developed by each pole is 0.02 Weber. The generator is driven at 1000 rpm. Calculate the EMF induced in the generator. So we have given N is equal to 1000 rpm. So P is equal to 6. Here there is a lap winding, so that's why we are taking P is equal to, no, there, so P means pole we have given 6, so obviously we will take pole 6, and here lap winding present, so P is equal to A is equal to P, we will take it 6. Number of slots we have given 120, number of conductor per slots are 30. Now for phi they have given 0.02 Weber, and for lap winding A is equal to P. So as discussed earlier, A is equal to P is equal to 6. So we have to find the EMF induced in the generator. To find Z, total number of conductor is equal to number of slots into number of conductors per slot. So number of slots are, they have given 120, and number of slots per conductor is equal to 30. So by multiplying this, we will get 3600. To find the EMF induced in generator, we have know the formula. Put the values in the formula. We will get 1200 volt is the voltage or EMF induced in the generator. So thank you. If you like this video, comment below, and please like, share and subscribe to Engineers Tech.